Okay, so when it comes to making videos, we all know that lighting is like 90% of your video. I mean, it can literally make or break a video. Like this shot, for example. If I didn't use my proper lighting setup, well, it's just gonna look bad. But luckily, in Filmora, there is now a new way you can completely fix your lighting. And the feature is called Relight. And this is actually pretty cool. But enough talking, let's hop into Filmora and I'll show you exactly how it works. Okay, so I'm open right now in Filmora and I think let's use that previous clip I've just shown you of the bad lighting and let's see if we can fix it in Filmora's Relight. Let's get right into it. Firstly, what you want to do is you want to double press the clip where it brings up all of this video stuff, the background, the shadow and everything like that, and then here you will see this new Relight function. So basically what you want to do is you want to press on that, and now the cool thing is it's going to give you some presets as well. So let me quickly try one of the presets. Let's just download it real quick. Okay, so as you guys can see, I just pressed on one of the presets. Now, as you guys can see, there's two little circles that popped up on the screen once I did that. So basically what these circles allows you to do is you can simply play around with them and adjust from which direction the light is coming. So like this one, if I adjust it here, as you guys can see, this one is yellow and this one is blue, obviously because of that blue light. But let's say we want to change that. So obviously you just want to press on that, then it's going to give you all of the menus which you can adjust. Now this color is set to yellow and obviously I'm a bit too yellow, so let's change that to white. And then we press on the light 2, which is obviously set to blue. So let's change that to white as well. Now let's go back to the first light. And now you can simply play around with it and adjust it any way you want. The cool thing about this is now you can select the subject or the background. So do I want only the subject lit or both or just the background? But I'm going to do the people. So basically this is pretty cool. Now I can literally just relight only the subject which is in frame, just like that. Now obviously you can play around with this. I can do just the background as well, and as you guys can see I'm gonna relight just the background, but let's keep it on the people. And then the light 2, which is the backlight, I'm gonna do on the background only. So now I can simply move this light and then relight only the background. And then important thing here at the top is the direction. So you can select it to a directional light, which basically means the light is coming from one side, or simply just a point light, which basically means if I put this on my face, only that point is going to have the light. But let's keep it on directional, just like that. Boom. So as you guys can see, this is already so much better because I have the light on my face, which makes it a lot more vibrant and outstanding because it was just way too dark in the beginning of this video. So let me show you a bit more. So then you have, this is only the facial stuff. So let's delete the preset. So then we're back to normal again. So let's go to ambient. So basically this is another preset, basically just ambient. This is red and blue. So now I can adjust it in any way. Obviously the red and blue doesn't work with this particular setup, but let's say you're in a studio and your backlight was red and blue. The cool thing is I can obviously change this. I can change the blue light to white, and then I can change the light 1 to, let's say, black. Just like that. So now I can use these lights, same example, same exact thing. I can move them around and relight my face. And let's make our very own preset. So basically what you want to do is you want to press here on presets and then you'll press add. So basically it gives you now your light, and now you can decide, okay, what do I want to do? So this light I want to make white. There you go. So then it's on my face and I want to do the people only. So then like that, I'm gonna make the highlight more and the intensity a bit more. Okay, so let's say you made this preset and you're happy with it. Simply press save as preset and then you just say my preset 1, and then that will be automatically saved to my presets 1, which I think is pretty cool. Now the most thing I like about this Relight feature is all of the moods you can do. So let's go back to Relight. Let's say just delete this and then say ambient, which basically this allows you to do is have different type of moods but with the same scene. Because obviously when you're a videographer, you don't have the unlimited amounts of lights to use on one scene. So then you can say, let's say this yellow, light, purple. So then like that, and then it already gives you the light that makes that scene pop in the way that this preset is set. So then once you have your preset done, then you can start by tweaking it, changing the lights and everything like that, which I think is extremely useful, especially if you miss your shot, because sometimes that's going to happen. Okay, so there you have it. That is an example of how to use the Relight feature in Filmora. And for me, this is personally a big game changer because there is so much you can do, and especially if you miss your lighting, you don't have to stress about it. You can just fix it in post. Let's show a quick before and after of that first clip, which looks dark and dull. And then with the new Relight feature, it really brightens up and I can move the lights around and everything like that. So it really makes a big difference. So yeah, there you have it. If you enjoyed this video, a sub to the channel would be awesome. If you want 50% off Filmora, first link in the description, and I'll catch you guys in the next one. Peace out.